Okay, so before we go in and play around with ChatGPT, I would take some time and really think about what is it that you're trying to achieve. What is your vision? Because you are going to be the leader of ChatGPT. And the leader needs to have a vision, some sort of objective, some intention. Do you want to build a new business in that specific area? Maybe you need some help with defining the area, what kind of product it should be. But you at least need to have a vision of that you want to build a business, or that you want to launch a newsletter or an online course, or that you want to craft an ad for your agency client, or you come up with a website for your agency or for your client or for your next startup. And that vision needs to be like, it should be very, very clear, because otherwise you're just not going to get anywhere. Like really, you need to have a strong and clear vision what you want ChatGPT to help you with. You are the leader on that path. You have a mission. You have some sort of idea what you want to create. Of course, you can ask ChatGPT for creating ideas, but I think you get my point, is that if you don't have clarity for what you're trying to achieve, how do you give feedback? How do you give iteration loops? How do you make sure that ChatGPT is going into the right direction with the whole idea and business venture that you're trying to pursue here? So the better, the more precise your goal is, your vision is, the more clear it is, the better you will be able to use ChatGPT for your advantage, and the more fulfilled you're going to be in the end with your overall result. Because that is the kind of work that ChatGPT just cannot do yet, or potentially will never really be able to do, because it needs to be fed with input. And this input has to drive the whole conversation and the whole engagement with the AI into a certain direction to just, go somewhere. Like, if you don't know where to go, then ChatGPT doesn't know where to go as well. So that was very important to tell you before we go into ChatGPT. And now let's just, get technical.